2 right now, I can confirm that we're gonna see altcoins out there move drastically to the upside towards 800 billion. Then after that, we can confirm, or we can wait to see if, say, these altcoins can go even more further to, let's say, 1 trillion, or maybe, I don't know, yeah, 2 trillion, 3 trillion, but the angle where I'm looking at right now is about 1.1 trillion for altcoins when you look at the total two. And if, say, we look at the total three excluding Ethereum, then you can also see that we are expecting, or I can see here that this bad boy can go up to almost 800 billion, right? And if, say, we look also at Bitcoin dominance, we can see that Bitcoin dominance look pretty awesome. We're gonna see Bitcoin go even more further to the upside to about 66%, or maybe let's, yeah, I think to about 66%, or maybe 60%. But my target for Bitcoin dominance is gonna be around 65%, and after that we're gonna see massive movement to the upside. And we have seen also that Bitcoin almost hits 38,000, and this is the price zone where I mentioned in my previous stream. And also I mentioned lately that if Bitcoin have to break, Bitcoin was rejecting this zone, and in my live stream I mentioned that if Bitcoin have to break this zone, above that 44,000, Bitcoin is gonna move towards that angle where everyone is waiting for. And after that, we're gonna see some minor retracement, which we have seen. I talk about this, that you have to always look at this, area. Whenever you see price break zones, price always come back to retest this zone. But guys, what are we actually looking at today? Today, I want us to be careful to look at what might happen. Like, this is kind of like, to me, like scam stuff, this whole hype stuff. Everyone is just going crazy on Twitter, saying all sort of stuff like Bitcoin gonna go to this, that. There's so much. Okay, right now I'm connected. My stream wasn't connected, but right now I'm connected again, back. And what I was trying to say, I don't know if, say, you got the data, but what I'm trying to say here, guys, is to help you guys understand that crypto is like the wild wild west. That if, say, you get carried away by the hype out there, you might end up make big, like, a lot of mistakes, in this space. So I'm just here to, like, help you out, help you make a profit, and eliminate the noise out there. So this is what I want us to focus on today. We look at what is going on in the market. We don't, like, pay so much attention to the Bitcoin ETF stuff. Like, if you are holding Bitcoin long term, good, fine, because this ETF stuff is just short term. But I just want us to look at price action and see what we might expect. If, say, you are holding your coins, yeah, you can comment these coins so I can chat them out and see what we might expect from these coins as well. Now, looking at Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame, this is very important, guys. It's important you see what has happened. Let's go to the lower time frame, like 1 hour, to see what has transpired there. Don't forget, let me repeat this rule, guys. Whenever you see price playing around a resistance level, like what price was doing, yeah, price was playing around this 44,000 price zone, right? Price was playing around, let me just make it bigger so we can see where price has been playing around this zone here. Price has been playing around this zone here, you can see. And when price break that zone, price should come back to retest that zone to make that move healthy. If price keep on going up, price will definitely come back to retest that zone. So if you are able to mark this, like, to jot down this aspect of price action, then you are always going to be on top of your game. And one thing you also want to pay attention to is on the 1 minute time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. Pay attention to the 50-day moving average. You can see this moving average here where price moved towards was the 50-day moving average, and immediately price bounced back. And where is price now? Because price didn't close below the alpha trend. Price is above the alpha trend, or price closed above the alpha trend, and the next candle should close above the alpha trend. This tells me that we are bullish. So this was the area where you would have taken a long or buy more Bitcoin if say you had some cash, right? Yeah, and you would have made cool profit, up there, right? This would have been a cool profit, and we can see that for the last hour, Bitcoin moved to that 47,000 price point, and it got rejected, and it came back to about 46,000. So this candle opened at 46,000, and now is heading towards 47,000, right? I think we might see what I mentioned lately, like in my previous stream, to play out here. This might play out here even more, quicker. We might see a huge week towards the 48,000, 50,000 price zone. It's just closer, guys. It left just 3,000, and Bitcoin can pump like that. You see, Bitcoin pump from 42,000 to 47,000. That's how about 5,000 gains. Gain, yeah. So it can do this, come back here, then move again. But guys, respect the pump. Don't ignore the pump. Of course, money is coming in the market. But don't look at the ETF news on Twitter. Don't look at what they are saying on Twitter. Don't get carried away with that. Focus on what is going on the chart. Listen to what the chart is saying, because the chart is telling the story. It's barely explaining what investors are doing, what is going on, and if you understand that, it's gonna help you guys to really eliminate the noise out there, and you will be safe, investing in this asset. That should be your goal. If say you're not like safe, you're not protecting yourself, as you invest in this asset, you're gonna be wrecked, guys. You're gonna be wrecked. Trust me, you're gonna be wrecked. And I don't want you to be wrecked. I want you to be able to make money, not lose money. If you're not making money, then you're gonna be losing money, right? So let's see if say we can look at other altcoins like Ethereum. You guys know I also talk about Ethereum here and other altcoins that we're gonna mention here today. Let's just look at Ethereum, what Ethereum is doing. Actually, Ethereum is down 2%, and guys, like, we're gonna see more upside for Ethereum. As it stands, Ethereum is gonna hit $2,500 per Ethereum. Okay, now if we go to, let's say, the weekly time frame for Ethereum, the target that I'm seeing for Ethereum here, looking at the weekly time frame, I see Ethereum going right up to, let me go to the 5-day time frame so we can see this more proper. Like, the target for Ethereum now is $2,739. That's my target for Ethereum. But if say Bitcoin become that bullish, like really bullish, crazy bullish, then Ethereum is gonna go to $3,242 dollars. Yeah, $3,242. That's where Ethereum is gonna go. Let's mark all this. Let me just mark it here. So I'm gonna tell you guys I told you so. Of course, I'm not doing this because I want to show you guys that I'm super good in TA. No, I'm doing this because I want you guys to see that we can eliminate all what people are saying out there and focus on the chart. The charts are going to explain to us what investors are doing, and when you see price playing around a particular zone, then you should be ready of what can happen after that. Because it just tells us that, okay, price is doing this, and based on price action, if price does this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, or 5 times, or 6 times, you're gonna see a massive pump to the upside, and when that happens, you can catch up your profit, right? Or those who are DCA, Bitcoin can DCA and like get ready, to accumulate other altcoins out there. I want to check on Gala. Like Gala, let's see. Gala has been down lately today, and looking at the 5-day time frame for Gala, what I see here is a buy signal on the alpha trend, and also price is sitting above the alpha trend. So I'm good I'm good now with Gala, knowing that we might see a huge spike to the upside. But now, where can we expect the price of Gala to go before, like to go and cool down from where price is right now? Gala is it, like what Bitcoin has done here can cause Gala to move this drastically. How many percent? Let's see, about 187%. So expect Gala to do that. I know most of you are like, okay, how possible is this? This is very possible with Gala. Looking at the fact that Gala had break this trend. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. There was a downtrend like going, yeah. After this previous downtrend, there was a continuation here because we saw a pump here, and after that, price has been moving downward, downward, downward. Now, this is divergence on the higher time frame, because despite that, like if I look at the alpha trend, see that the alpha trend, even though you cannot, looking at the trendillo, not alpha trend, trendillo, we can see that trendillo, it was printed oversold here, oversold here, oversold here, oversold here, and now we are at overbought, right? So the downward movement that we expected has been done, right? So I'm looking at Ghana more to the upside. Ethereum or Bitcoin can cool down for a while, but Gala is gonna keep moving to the upside. Guys, all what I'm doing here is TA, just looking at price actions. I'm looking at different zones, what price can do now, tomorrow, the next week. That's gonna be really cool if, say, you like, share this content. Oh, welcome, Mystery Man. Hi, sir. Gary, USDT, please give some update. Okay, let's look at Gary. I kept that coin to my watch list. Let's see, Gary USDT. I mentioned I'm gonna buy the coin, but I forgot to buy it. This is on OKS. Let's see, Gary USDT. Let's go on the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what this bad boy is doing right now. Okay, I mentioned that from looking at the price action. Let's go to the one, like, daily time frame. I think looking at the daily time frame, this coin actually, it looks good long term. Let's go to Mexi Global. I think I can get a more proper chart here for this coin on Mexi. Let's see if that's the case. I think it's the same thing with OKX, because I already charted this coin on OKX. You can see I placed this level here, but now what I'm seeing here is a vector candle printed here for the past, like last, I think that was 3 days ago or 2 days ago, and ever since we saw the vector candle, there's this hammer like this. There's this hammer here, and whenever you see a hammer like this on a higher time frame, it always play out. It always play out to long term. And a good thing also that I'm seeing here is that the alpha trend price is around, like, let's say, in the middle of the alpha trend like this, and the alpha trend is level, meaning price is consolidating, and there's a buy signal here on the alpha trend, which price has come back to retest this zone, like where you see price try to move up, but it's still moving around this zone. So I'll say that we can expect a huge pump, looking at what has happened with Bitcoin. And these coins like this, when they want to pump, guys, they pump like hell. Look at this huge wick. You know how many percentage this is gains? Let me show you guys. If, say, you would have gotten this coin, how much you would have made if, say, this pump, like, let's see how many percent that pump is. That's 75%, just in, like, just this 1 week, like that, up what, 75% or 76%. So in a day you can make that amount from Gary, not only Gary, other coin. So looking at where price is right now, I think what price can do right now in the coming days is, like, as Bitcoin keep doing that, we might not see much movement with this coin, but if Bitcoin consolidate, then we might see this coin start doing like this. It can pump like this, then start doing like this, do like this, then pump upward, come back here, then before it can move forward. Always wait for it to retest. If, say, you miss it out, you wake up and you miss it and you miss the pump, always wait for this like you should sell off weak on the lower time frame, or go to the lower time frame, and you're gonna see that price is gonna retest that zone before you can buy back. But I think as of now, I would say Gary is in an uptrend. You know, let me look at ApeCoin quickly. I don't know if say you got that mystery man. ApeCoin also is guys. ApeCoin is gonna make us great huge profit. Let's look at my indicator. Let's go to my indicator and check out ApeCoin. You know, on this indicator, let's just check on ApeCoin right now. This is huge, guys. Let me go to the um daily time frame so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, even though we have seen this sell signal printed on the alpha trend, right? I think that wouldn't be it wouldn't last for long. Why? I think ApeCoin has found its bottom as we are moving, or as we are in this crypto bull market. Of course, we can see some major retracement back to that bottom, and even maybe from let's say a divergence there before moving upward. But I think ApeCoin can make you really crazy gains. And my target for ApeCoin, if I go to the weekly time frame, is this. Let's go to the 4 hour, 5 hour, 5 day time frame. My target for ApeCoin is around $5 6. Let's see, $5 6. Yeah, $5 6, or maybe $7. Yeah, $7 should be my first take profit for ApeCoin. And when we see retracement back and it holds, I'm gonna ride this bad boy right up to $28, right? Or to $25, or $19 per ApeCoin. Something will happen that will move ApeCoin like crazy. And if we look at the rank of ApeCoin, you know, in the market space, it's around 100 and something. You know, so keep an eye on ApeCoin. It can really do some justice to you if say you have been losing some money recently. So ApeCoin can do some justice to you. All right, excuse guys. Which coin again do I have here? I think I have Audi. But before I go to Audi, let's look at Boba. Boba. Boba also is a coin that can really um, give you guys good gains. I think I already chatted Boba on Bybit. Let's see if we can get the data on. Okay, now, guys, we saw this huge move with Boba, right? And what did I mention to you guys? Whenever we see a pump like that, price always have to come and retest where that pump started. You see? And in most cases, it happens, right? Or maybe it was gonna just end here. If say this would have been like a strong pump, it would have ended here. Like if there was going to be a continuation, the pump would have ended here. This at this area here, it would have ended there. And I think if say you are buying Boba, then this is gonna be a zone where you want to take out profits first and wait for price to break that zone, then retest it before you can buy it again. So I think this is a coin that I'm gonna be not that I'm gonna be. I already have it. I bought some yesterday. What I'm waiting for right now is a coin to just x 10x in no time. Another coin I want us to look at that I'm holding also is FTM Phantom. Phantom is a good coin, and I'm holding Phantom. And looking at where price is right now, let's just go to the hybrid system to check on this FTM. So looking at Phantom right now, I would say that Phantom looks bullish, even though we are seeing this sell signal here on the alpha trend. But if we look at the weekly time frame, where price is right now, guys, this is pretty decent environment for this coin right now to accumulate. I mean, for those who are holding the coin long term, right? Like short term, just look at. I think, like not. I think I know, Phantom will pump. To this is a 4 hours time frame. It will pump to this. Let me just take out there. Let me do it like this way. So it's gonna pump from here. If say we're gonna see some retracement back, it's gonna be from this price point. That's 0.48. That's 27% profit. That will happen. That I know it will happen. You know why? Because Bitcoin has done what Bitcoin has done. Make higher highs. Breaking structure. So this coin, either break structure or come here and end here. And if say this coin must break structure, then if we go to the daily time frame, what will happen is that this coin will recover first. How many percentage is that? 45%, right? And before you know it, it has formed higher highs, like make more highs. So you want to pay attention to these coins that have fallen drastically. Another coin that you can get it on, Mexi Global is Luna. Luna is down almost, like, I think it's in a zone where it's a buy. I bought some of it already. Guys, this coin is a buy, and looking at where price is right now and where price might go for this coin from where it is right now, we are looking at 1x36, 1.36x. So that's gonna be awesome, right? That's 1.36%. That's gonna be awesome for you if say you do that. So I think that's it for now. I also have Quant here. I've been holding Quant. I bought Quant, recently. I think Quant can get to $1,000 per Quant. You know, this might sound crazy, but it will happen. We can see Quant go to $1,000. So these are the kind of coins you want to be holding that would never fail, and they move alongside Bitcoin as well. Now, before I go, let's finalize this with Audi. Let's look Audi. How can I go without talking about Audi? Audi, where is Audi? Let me get Audi. Yeah. So this is Audi, and you can see Audi is one of the coins that are so strong. They look so strong. When you look at the higher time frame, and Audi has been holding this zone like so strong. So no matter what happens, we want to see Audi keep holding this zone. If not, then price will just tumble back to let's see, to this area here, right? Back there, price will not go back there. That's about $41 per Audi. And guys, it's almost similar. Where we're expecting Bitcoin to move towards is about like if there's a failed move, it should be around I think $41. The same thing with Audi, 40 not like 40 thousands of dollars, but $40 per Audi if that happened. So I think I have come to the end of today's live stream. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and you want me to keep creating more of such, then go right now and smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. And if you say you haven't yet joined my community, the link is found below this video. And if you want to trade these coins, you can trade the coins either on Mexi Global, on OKX, Bybit, or Binance. Anyone you choose, my affiliate link is below this video. Go and use my link. It's a way to support what I do. I want to appreciate if say you use my link to trade on these platforms. I won't say that, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.